Print Aura Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Print Aura and related resources are included in the description below. Print Aura is a print-on-demand service that integrates with popular e-commerce platforms, allowing business owners to design custom apparel and accessories without holding inventory. It's geared toward entrepreneurs, artists, and influencers who want to launch a branded merch line or extend their product offerings without the costs and complexities of traditional production. One key feature of Print Aura is the drag-and-drop interface for uploading designs on products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. Once integrated with platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy, orders are automatically sent to Print Aura, which prints and ships the items directly to customers, reducing the workload for busy sellers. Product mockups are also provided, helping users create professional listings with accurate visuals. Additionally, Print Aura offers white label shipping, so packages arrive with your branding, preserving a cohesive customer experience. Among its strengths, Print Aura is known for competitive pricing on both products and shipping, which can help store owners maintain healthy margins. The platform's compatibility with multiple sales channels allows for broader reach and simpler management, especially for those running stores on more than one platform. Print Aura also supports global shipping options, expanding your potential customer base. Another advantage is their responsive customer service, which is particularly helpful for troubleshooting design issues or managing returns. However, some weaknesses may impact new or growing sellers. Print Aura's user interface, while straightforward, lacks some of the advanced customization or analytics tools found in competing print-on-demand solutions. Product quality and shipping times can occasionally vary, especially during peak seasons, and it's essential to vet samples before listing items. The platform doesn't offer as extensive a selection of premium product lines or advanced design placements as some larger providers. Additionally, while setup is relatively easy, sellers unfamiliar with the PHOD model might need to invest time in understanding design best practices, color formats, and shipping logistics. Ultimately, Print Aura is a solid choice for store owners seeking an affordable, no-inventory solution to offer custom merchandise without complicated supply chains. Its user-friendly design interface, integration options, and reasonable pricing make it appealing for entrepreneurs testing the waters of print-on-demand. Check the links in the description to learn more and decide if Print Aura aligns with your business goals.